Welcome to my channel Kitchen Mania by Preeti. Hope you all are safe and keeping your heart and head strong to face this pandemic. Keep taking precautions and also take immunity boosters. The 7th day of Navratri, let's make a sweet dish which is a fusion of carrot and sabudana. That is carrot halwa and sabudana kheer fusion. So let's start. चलिए आज बना लेते हैं कुछ अच्छा सा मीठा। तो आज मुझे गाजर का हलवा और साबूदाने की खीर दोनों बनाने का मन था, तो मैंने सोचा क्यों ना मैं इसे मर्ज कर लूँ। तो फिर चलिए चलते हैं एक नई सी रेसिपी के साथ। लेट्स स्टार्ट विद अ न्यू रेसिपी वेयर it is a fusion of carrot halwa and sabudana kheer. Isn't it interesting? And we will flavor this with kesar and sweeten it with dates. So let me quickly tell you the ingredients I have taken here. I have taken 1 bowl of orange carrot which is grated. I have soaked 4 dates in water. You can take even more according to your sweet preference. I have taken 1 small bowl of sago which was simply washed and soaked overnight. Then I have taken 1 bowl of milk and I have simply soaked few strands of kesar in it to give it a good flavor. Few cashews and pistachios, kaju or pista for the garnish as well as the crunch, and few more kesar strands for the garnish. 1 tablespoon of ghee to give it a saute as well as the aroma. I've taken here homemade peanut chicky which I have just simply crumbled. I'll be using this in the garnish to give it a crunch as well as a good flavor. So let's get started. Let's stir this milk. And put half of it. We are going to soak this in half of it. So we will just give it a stir. Let's cover this under the lid for around half an hour, and meanwhile we will do the rest of the preparations of cooking carrot. Meanwhile, let's heat the kadai and add ghee into it. Once the ghee melts, cardamom powder. I always add it directly to the ghee, which gives a great aroma and a flavor to it. Add upon the grated carrot and give it a stir. Just stir it a little, and we need to partially cook this under the lid for around 10 minutes. So make sure you are doing this on a medium flame. You have to keep stirring this occasionally, and already 6 to 7 minutes are over and this is done. So now it's time to add upon our sago to it. Now half an hour is done, and let's see. The sago is also well absorbed and the kesar flavor has blended into it. The carrots which we have cooked are partially done and partially it will be cooked with this sago. So as I said, the carrots are partially cooked and the rest of it we will cook with sabudana. Now let's mix this kesar blended sabudana well with the carrots, and we will cook this under lid till the sabudana gets transparent. Isn't it interesting? After adding sabudana, we will mix it well and we will add rest of the milk which we had saved from the bowl, which eases the cooking. Let's just mix the milk which we have added. You can keep stirring in between and just cook this for 5 minutes. Keep stirring in between. You can mix this milk with this and can cook for few more minutes. Just cook for 2 to 3 more minutes. Wow, what a wonderful color. So this is now perfectly done and cooked. You can see. You may thicken this more or may add more milk according to your preference and taste. So now we'll turn off the flame because this has attained a perfect kheer as well as halwa consistency. So we'll turn off the flame, and once it is a bit cool, we'll add upon dates puree to it. So we have soaked 4 dates over here. You can add upon or reduce the quantity according to your sweet preference. I have mashed it and pureed it, and now this kheer or halwa or the fusion both is cool. So we can add this puree and blend it. This step we are doing at last because sometimes when the milk is hot, it may crumble. So we waited for the milk to cool and then we have added it. Perfect consistency is attained. That's why I said that if you want, you can also thicken it, because after adding the dates puree, the consistency will change. But this is perfect. Now let's serve and garnish it. I have just ghee roasted these cashews and pistas. तो यहाँ पर हमारी खीर हो गई है रेडी और इसे मैंने ग्लास बोल्स में निकाल लिया है और अब हम करेंगे इसकी थोड़ी सी गार्निशिंग। तो चलिए हम इस पे डाल देते हैं थोड़े से रोज पेटल्स, 1 या 2 केसर स्ट्रैंड्स, थोड़े से काजू और पिस्ता जिसे हमने ड्राई रोस्ट किया है, और हमारी ये क्रम्बल्ड पीनट। Perfectly ready, beautiful sabudana carrot kheer. So let's just relish it the way it is. Absolutely yummy. Look at the texture. Perfect. Amazing. If you've liked today's recipe and the video, please hit like, subscribe and share. Do comment to let me know how have you liked it and what next you would like me to try. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram, and for detailed recipe please check the description box. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so that whenever I put a new recipe you get notified first. Thank you.